I'd be happy just to stay this way. Spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun would shine. We started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent with one wasted time. But then I lose you to it. Would have passed away. It would have passed away. It would have passed away. Was a paper and wine. Your pen, changing moods now and then. Balance was right. Added some music. Never know was it
Para masaya.
body could see all the changes in me. Decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. Oh, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. Created my life.
Ay, thank you very much.
I can't remember when you were there.
Ay, nasa-sir na ba?
When I became
Lo, saan pa daan na daan si Mali mo?
anyone but you.
Ma'am, sweet dance. Ako lang pala tulo.
Can't imagine anything, the two of us. The years you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid about the life we've made. And I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years.
Hello mga surprise! Happy birthday sa nag-iisang bungangera ng pamilya. Salamat sa pagmamalagan sa mulang kalahari asin mga apo mo. Naway tawan pa ika, kamu ni Papa ni halawig na buhay asin harayong sa helang. Bawasan at iwasan din ang mga bawal dahil magparapastress na nakakagurang yan. For now, iniyo mo nang may tataumi ka mga tugang ko asin na po apo mo. Sana mapaugmami ika sa simpleng sorpresa ni sa inyo. Miss me na kamunahan ni Papa. Sana sa sunod na birthday nito, yaw na kami dyan para mag-celebrate kitang ibahan. I love you both. Stay happy.
Somewhere down the road, our homes are going to cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know the heart of yours will come to see. You'll be in love with me.
Iba yung parang katawa. ganyan lang ako nakaranas nin araw kaning pag-birthday ko. 70 years old. Pagkatapos, sana si Lucky na nagpadala sa kuya kani lalong maugmaman kun siya mahiling niya ang pang-video niya. Kaning video gini. Kapasalamat kami na araw kani ang nangyari. Dahil ko inaasahan din. Dahil ko inaasahan ang araw kani ang surprise. Ang pag-ibig ko, bako yan na, kaya lang, siyempre, alam naman ito. Kaugmahan yan. Kaugmahan. Sana maglawig manan sa muyang pag-iribahan ni Agung ko. Sa otro taon, mas lalo gayon lumagayon ang sa muyang pag-celebrate. Bako lang na ako kanina. Sana dubli pa ang kaugmahan.
Sige, happy birthday!